Draining pretty good now. I drove the Splash home for the first time. First time driving manual. Let me tell you, it was pretty fun and it was pretty freaking easy. Phone I'm using is the iPhone 5, but let's see, 128,406 miles. I'm just gonna drive this a little around the back and close the damn chickens up, or lock them up, but I really don't need to run this. The wipers are good in this, believe it or not. Okay, here we go. Freaking windows fogging up. Can't even see anything. The only bad thing about this dash cover is that I think it blocks the defrost, and you can't okay. Alright, come on. Okay, there we go. Just got them locked up. Still raining the same, of course. Got the dash cover back on. Now let's go down to the bridge. Okay. Slipping the tires? Or what? This thing's running pretty good. There's the bridge. There's the horn. The AC, of course, doesn't work, but we don't need that. My dad put a pink light here too. See if I can see for shit here. Yeah, I can see. Kind of hard, but right, hopefully this shit works. That little slips. See if we can do a little tire skid. Not bad. Yeah, window's fogging up pretty good. See, it done it that easy because there was leaves, but if there wasn't any leaves in the road or dry, I wouldn't have done it. There's the F-150. It's still running. Okay. Yeah, I'm just going to do this. Okay, I am going to turn around here and put it more on some defroster. Yeah, she's fogging up good. I'm going to park it. There. Oh yeah, the battery that's in this is the one with the worn out terminal that was in the backhoe, and it's working damn good in this truck. So we're keeping that battery in it. Get her a little bit close to the house. Oh, if I didn't hit anything. Man, these LEDs are awesome in this. Runs really good. Do the wipers one more time. Okay, that's enough. I'm gonna go inside. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Okay, I'm going to end the video.